Manual editing is officially a relic of the past for faceless creators. If you are still spending hours searching for stock footage, cutting clips, and trying to force match your audio beats to scene transitions, you are losing the game. Welcome back to AI Tech. Today, we are bridging the sonic gap. What if your video soundtrack could actually talk to your footage in real time? What if you could build a self-sustaining documentary factory that runs entirely on autopilot? By hardwiring Mubert's generative AI music engine directly into VideoGen's powerful visual mapping system, we have unlocked a workflow that eliminates manual editing forever. We aren't just making videos anymore, we are engineering high-production historical narratives through a seamless, hands-off technical integration. Imagine scaling a highly profitable documentary channel to millions of views without ever opening a traditional timeline editor. Today, I am pulling back the curtain on the exact technical setup required to turn simple script data into immersive, high-fidelity cinema. This is the ultimate blueprint for rapid scaling. Start the clock. Let's build an empire. Let's analyze the massive shift in content creation. We are deep into the era of generative orchestration. The old method of downloading generic, static stock music and slapping it over disconnected video clips creates a disjointed viewer experience. Viewers today demand cinematic immersion. If they don't feel the atmosphere in first 5 seconds, they swipe away. That's exactly why the synergy between Mubert and VideoGen creates a production value that static stock libraries simply cannot match. Mubert doesn't just play music, it generates real-time, unique atmospheric textures. VideoGen doesn't just compile clips, it reads your script's context to automate cinematic B-roll. When you connect these two powerhouses, you set the stage for a hands-off system that generates hyper-specialized historical narratives while you sleep. This workflow isn't just a team saver, it is a scalability blueprint. It allows you to dominate high CPM niches like history, technology, and wealth building where advertisers pay premium rates for high-retention content. Let's dive into the screen, and I will show you exactly how to hardwire this system. Step 1 is establishing your sonic architecture. Audio is 50% of the viewing experience, especially in documentaries. We are going to use Mubert to generate real-time, atmospheric scores based on our script's sentiment analysis. Here in the Mubert dashboard, we aren't just picking a song, we are configuring specialized genre tags. By defining the exact mood like suspenseful, ambient, or cinematic, we ensure the music evolves dynamically with our storytelling arc. Listen to that. It's completely original, royalty-free, and mathematically designed to retain human attention. Once generated, we establish a cloud-based bridge. You download this audio stem in pristine, high-fidelity format, preparing it for immediate visual synchronization. Mubert handles the emotion. Now, we need an engine to handle the motion. Now we enter the visual engine, VideoGen. This is where the magic of multimodal AI takes over. Instead of searching for hours for the right clip, we feed our process script directly into VideoGen's interface. Look at this workspace. On the left, we have our raw script data. In a matter of seconds, VideoGen's engine analyzes every single sentence, extracts the core context, and instantly maps millions of premium cinematic B-roll assets to the exact spoken words. This is visual synthesis at its finest. But To make a true documentary, we need kinetic alignment. We take that custom track you just generated from Mubert and drop it into the audio layer. By utilizing automated beat match features and adjusting our scene transitions, we ensure that every visual cut occurs on the rhythmic pulses of Mubert's score. The result? A video that feels like it was edited by a Hollywood professional for weeks, engineered in a single afternoon using the sheer power of AI prompt parameters.
Or your print-on-demand business doesn't need just one masterpiece, but needs 100 highly consistent, production-ready assets.
To truly turn this into a factory, you must automate the integration workflow. By running these tools in tandem, you are essentially creating a centralized automation hub. You write the script, Mubert crafts the atmosphere, and VideoGen synthesizes the visuals. Before the final render, you implement a logic-based filter. You quickly scrub through the timeline, checking for visual consistency and ensuring the audio leveling between your AI voiceover and Mubert's ambient background score is perfectly balanced. Once you hit render, you transition from a simple text prompt to a finished, high-definition historical documentary ready to command viewer attention and trigger the YouTube algorithm. This isn't just a party trick, it is a business model. Now that you have the blueprint, the final step is scaling your channel into a digital content empire. Because this specific tech stack of Mubert and VideoGen drops your production time from days down to minutes, you can develop a scheduling strategy that leverages high-speed output. You can effortlessly schedule daily documentary uploads. In the Faceless channel game, your niche dictates your revenue. By utilizing this workflow to produce high-retention content in historical, educational, or emerging tech niches, you are directly targeting a high CPM market. Advertisers pay a premium for audiences that watch long, engaging documentaries. As generative video and audio models continue to evolve, this roadmap will only get faster, cheaper, and more hyper-realistic. The automated competition is still we. The window to establish your dominance is right now. If you are ready to stop trading your time for views and want to engineer an entire month's worth of high-profit content this weekend, you need to sync these tools immediately. I've partnered with both platforms to get you started. You can grab your access to Mubert's generative music AI and VideoGen's automated visual engine using my exclusive links in the description and pinned comment below. Click those links, set up your accounts, and start building your faceless digital empire today. If this technical breakdown changed the way you view content creation, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments which documentary that you are going to dominate first. This is AI Tech. Automate the process. Dominate the niche. I'll see you in the next masterclass.